Welcome to DY India Tech. Today we are going to trust certificate in Java applications, which is very important task for administrators. Before that, if you are in my channel, so keep subscribe my channels for latest update for technology. Let me begin. So why we are trusting the SSL certificate in Java applications? So basically, when we are trying to consume any API, any external API, that time we require to trust your client certificate. It means whatever API you trying to consume, we have to import that SSL certificate in our application servers to make secure connections between our application server to their API servers. So for this, we require a certificate of API servers. So API servers is like whatever you trying to integrate or developer is trying to integrate for any third party API that helping to business requirement. Let me log in my server. Let me increase my font size so easily you can visible my screen. So my server IP is 192.168.36.141. This is my application servers. So currently see my applications Java, that is Tomcat. Tomcat 11 is already running. So we have to trust one certificate in Java. So first of all, you have to check your Java, which Java is using your applications. Once you run ps-ef type grep -i Java command, then you will get in the first line your Java path. Or you can check Java home directory. So you have to run command echo $java underscore home. You will see your Java home path. So now my server's application is already running. So let me proceed to trust a certificate. So first of all, if you have a certificate, then you have to trust. Okay. So in my case, I'm just providing a dummy. So I will create one certificate, but in actual cases, the client has provided the certificate and we have to just import that certificate in our applications. So to create a self-sign certificate, so I'm trying to create a self-sign certificate. So there is a two method is non-interactive, okay, and another is a interactive method. So command will be the remain same. If you want to go interactive method, then you have to make a detail everything one by one. Okay. So I'm going to do non-interactive method which is helping to save our times. Okay, so we are using OpenSSL command here to generate a new certificate with the following details. Like CSR detail is like state Maharashtra, city Mumbai, organization unit Diva India Tech, and my website name divaindia.bibli.com. So simply we have to take this command. So I'm this locations, the root location. So let me explain this command. OpenSSL request x590 is a request method. Then hyphen new key because we are generating a new key RSA and the size is 4096. Key out, the name would be Diva India Tech underscore private dot key. The out Diva India dot short hyphen 256 hyphen number of days. So here we will reduce that. We will create for 1 year 365. After that, we have to give in all these CSR details, okay, and then enter. Once you enter, it will create a certificate, okay. So now see, this private key and certificate both is created. Let me validate that certificate, the following things. So this is a command openSSL x590-in and then you have to give your certificate name and hyphen no out hyphen text. Once you run this command, you will get the following details. The expiry and validity of certificate, subject of the certificate, example owner, host name. The issuer of the certificate, basically who signed it. So let me run this. So we have just run. So see here, this issuer is EXX, State Maharashtra, City Mumbai, Diva India Tech, and this website name. And we have created today's and it will expire is 2026. And the key size is 4096. So my certificate is get ready. So this certificate we have to import in our applications. In the actual case, the client is providing the certificate that we have to import in our Java applications. So to import a certificate, we require a certificate. So there is a certificate path. So let me check. So currently I'm using Java 11. So my Java location user local Java open logic open JDK 17 and lib security. In this part we have to reach out. Before you adding any certificate in CSR, make sure you have to take a backup. Backup is very much important if you done anything incorrect. So anyone can easily restore it. So now we have just taken a backup with the help of cp command. Now we have to import our certificate. So this is a command. Okay, let me create this. From here, let me try store hyphen import and then my website name. I'm putting this. Here is the alias name. Then file name. We have to put our file name. So in the root we have created. So this is our certificate. So we have to put here file name. Once we put a file name, then we have to put a key store path. So I am currently in same locations. So just I put a file name. Let me run this. So if you want to import any certificate in Java, so basically command is tool hyphen import. Then you put a alias name. Alias name is basically for our reference to understand the certificate is added, and then give the certificate path and then key store, and we are adding CSR. Once you run this command, we will get a prompt to enter a password. Password is change it all in small letter. Once you enter a password, is asking trust this certificate, no or yes. We have to put a yes. So once you put a yes, certificate was added to key store. Now our certificate is added. Okay. How you will come to know whether your certificate is successfully added or not? So to verify that, we have a command for that. We can check like this command, key store, I mean current locations. I just remove that. This is quite simple command. Tools, tools hyphen list hyphen key store and CSR. Then you have to enter same password, and then you will to see lot of certificate is already present in your CSR. But how we will find in our certificate in this case? You can see scroll one by one, or we have to use hyphen alias alias, and then we have to give our alias name. So we have given dyindia.bibli.com. So if you know the alias name, we can easily find out that certificate. So see, so just only printing that certificate So this is added in second fab, trusted entity. So with the help of this alias name, we can easily search it. Okay. So now we have successfully added our certificate in the Java. Your applications, this certificate get reflected in your applications. Okay. So let me start my service. So command is this. So I'm just running shutdown.sh. It will shut down my process. Okay, now not running. Again, we have to run another script, start.sh, that will start my terminal. So now my application is started. Let me check the logs. So there is no error. Everything look fine. It is started properly. So everything is properly done. So basically, any certificate, if you want to trust in your Java or in your application as per the requirement, you can. So if you know how to use JKS files and how to create a JKS file, so please comment in the comment box. So I will create a video for that as well. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video.